Okay guys, let me show you how to install PostgreSQL on macOS using the interface GUI. I will download PostgreDMG file. So in order to do that, I will go to official page of PostgreSQL. So I will click this official page. I will click download and I will choose which operating system. I am selecting macOS and I have to download this installer. So I will click the installer. So here you can choose any version you want according to your machine, Linux or Windows or macOS. So I will choose macOS. So I will choose the latest version here. So I will click this small blue button. So I click. So it shows your download should begin in a few seconds. So let me check it here. It started. I downloaded before, that is why it's showing like this. So I will stop it because I downloaded it before. So let me check. So as you see here, the file. So let me maximize this file. This so I will double click this file. Wait a minute, and it will show this interface. I will double click. So this wizard will show up. So welcome to the PostgreSQL setup wizard. So I will click next. It by default it chooses this directory. So you can choose by double clicking here or one clicking, whichever you want. So I will go on with the default installation folder. So I will click next and I will uncheck this stack builder. I want to install command line tools and also I want to install pgadmin tool. It is client tool which connects to actual database server, PostgreSQL server. So next, so it is default data folder. So I will choose here my Postgres database password. So please provide the password for database super user. Super user is Postgres user. So a locked Unix user account Postgres will be created if not present. So I will choose my password. You can choose any password you want, which you can remember. It's very important. You have to remember this password. So click next. By default, it will give me this port number 5432. So I will go on with default folder. Sorry, the default port number. So click next, next, and showed all procedures and logs. So I will click next. And setup is now ready to begin installing PostgreSQL on your computer, which is macOS. So I will click next. So I will wait. So it's already finished installing. So I will click finish. So it finished installing, but how do we know whether it is installed, whether it's running or not, or PostgreSQL database? So you will go to your application, and if you have pgadmin here, you can check. You can try to connect your database. So I will double click my pgadmin. So this wizard will come up, and wait a minute. So you can double click here. So it will ask password. So if you remember, you typed your password during installation. So I will type my password. If you want, you can save it. So click OK. So it connected to database. So I have default database which name is called Postgres. So it has schemas, it has functions, foreign tables, views, default views. But I can create my own database here. For right click this Postgres 17 and you can create your database. So click database, create. So you can choose whatever you want. So my first database. So click save. So here is my first database. I create my first database. So let us check here schema and the tables. So here I don't have any table, but I can create a new table. So let me check whether I can create a new table. So click this button, query tool. So it will open a new section. So you can create table my first table. Table my first table. Let me give a variable ID. Its data type will be int, for example, and its data type will be varchar 10, for example. So I should open parentheses here, and I should close parentheses here. So I will create new table. Query returned successfully. So I will refresh here, refresh. So my first table is created. Let me check whether I have a table. Select star for my first table. I will highlight this query and click button execute. So I have a table.